Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Here Abdul Rahman, registration number 44429. Today I tell you the three problems and three solutions of product and service. Number one problem is that the most recent problem faced by the entrepreneur is a closure of market due to pandemic COVID-19. Now I tell you the solution. In lockdown, the entrepreneurs switched to online means of selling the days of lockdown to sustain their business. Now I tell you the second problem. The second problem is that faced by the entrepreneur is the decreased revenue because of lockdown. Solution is that decreasing of trend of revenue can be increased if our entrepreneur timely adopt online means of selling. The third main problem is that traditional selling require more cost in term of expense like utility and staff cost. Solution is that in online we can easily do work at home, which save the cost.
Hi, this is me, Mehndra Kumar, and my topic is unique value proposition. Unique value proposition means how your product or service is unique from another product. So our product is unique from another product is in a way that we are working on printings on t-shirts and other wearable stuff. So none have done like this business before us. None have working on printings on t-shirts of the traditional stuff. So we are working on traditional stuff of Sindh, and we will be expanding our business in other cultures too, in other 4 provinces of Pakistan too, so that they can enjoy our services too, and afterwards we will be expanding our business in other countries too, so that the people living in other countries can enjoy our services.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am going to explain you about two things. Number one is unfair advantage. As our target market is Sindhi culture, our majority of the customers are Sindhis, so the color of Sindh would be highlighted. Where our unique idea of mixing the color of Sindh, which is the oldest civilization of the world, into new fashion, that could be a strong sign of unfair advantage. If we succeed in becoming indispensable to our customers, then we have an unfair advantage. Number second is customer segment. As we are working on online, so we would sell our product through e-marketing or e-commerce. Our customers must be educated. They must use the blogs, websites, apps. Furthermore, in demographic, our customers are male and female both, age of 20 to 50 years, with an income of more than 2,40,000 rupees income per year at any designation in any organization. And psychographic, they must belong to Sindhi culture, having Sindhiism, because they believe Sindhiism is not a religion or caste. It's a faith, belief and lifestyle. So it is a culture that propels happiness, growth, innovation and togetherness. They love their identity, culture and motherland, that is a Sindh Dharti. So we would print all the historical places on shirts like Mohenjo-daro, Sakhar Bridge, Kot Deji Kilo, Rani Kot, Makli and many more. Thanks.
Myself Mohammad Arman. In this part of vlog I am covering key matrices. How many number of customers returning? This is our online business, that's why day by day our viewers and customers are increasing. Quality of our garments. We use mixed fabrics in our products. We have all size available. We have best quality designed kurti, t-shirts and shirts, printed shirts, back printed shirts. Average turnover time. Our office working time is 8 hours, but we are active 24/7 for our customers in our online page. Thanks.
Fadali, and I'm going to present my part cost structure. कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ FOS जो हमारा 3 मंथ्स रेट था अपार्टमेंट का वो था 3 लाख, और वेबसाइट एक्सपेंस जो हमारा था वो भी था 3 लाख, और जो हमने मशीनरी मंगवाई थी वो हमें पड़ी तकरीबन 40 lakhs की, और उसके अलावा लीगल कॉस्ट जो हमारी थी वो 10 lakhs थी, और ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट्स थे वो हमारे 2 लाख के आए। ये जो टोटल हमारा हुआ 58 lakhs रुपीज़ यहाँ पे स्टार्टअप कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर पे है। और जो हमारी फिक्स कॉस्ट है यानी यूटिलिटीज़ के हमारे मंथ के हो रहे थे 1 लाख, और जो हमारा रॉ मटेरियल था उसके हम जो हो गए 5 लाख, और एम्प्लॉय सैलरी जो हमें गार्ड प्योन और जो हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ थे स्टिचिंग वगैरह के वो मिला के 1,40,000, ये इनकी टोटल हुई 7,40,000। और जो हमारे इस स्टार्टअप कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर और फिक्स को मिला के 65,40,000 टोटल स्टार्टअप एक्सपेंडिचर में आया।
My name is Sri Rajput. Today we discussed about the channel, what are channels meant to pass to the customers, how to communicate with your customers. We discussed that we communicate with our customers through Facebook and Insta ads and YouTube ads and other social media networks. Through social media we also easily communicate with our customers, and this is very easy procedure. And we also discussed that we expand our business in 4 provinces on whole over the world. That's why we keep our services on Daraz app. Through Daraz app, those people who are out of city, out of country, they are also easily communicate with us and easily enjoy our products.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Abdul Salam. Today's my topic is revenue stream. We are selling the products and we generate the profit from that products. We are generating 50% profit from that products. We develop the structure of salaries. Manager 30,000 and employees 12,000 and peon 10,000 and security guard 12,000. We other source of revenue we have like we are हमने जो है दूसरी कंपनीज को कह दिया है कि हमारे पास आ जाएं स्टिचिंग करने के लिए, वो हमारे पास से स्टिच करवाते हैं और हम लोग जो है उधर से रेवेन्यू जनरेट करते हैं, मतलब प्रॉफिट जनरेट करते हैं हम लोग उससे भी। थैंक यू।